To fully understand how technically complex color printing is, take a look at the electrophotographic process. The primary charge roller, or PCR, rotates next to the OPC drum and applies a negative charge to the surface of the OPC drum, which prepares it for the imaging process. The OPC drum is then exposed to a laser, which forms the image. This area is more positively charged than the areas not exposed to the laser. Toner is stirred in the hopper. The toner adder roller collects the toner, moving it to the surface of the developer roller. The doctor blade then levels it to the precise height. As toner moves from component to component, it develops a negative charge, which is attracted to the more positively charged image on the OPC drum. The toner on the OPC drum is then transferred to the paper. This process occurs within the 4 color cartridges in every laser printer. The paper with the toner then passes through the fusing assembly, where it is melted and fused to the paper. Any toner remaining on the OPC drum is cleaned and moved to the waste bin by the wiper blade. The latent image on the OPC drum surface is erased by the PCR. Excess toner not transferred to the OPC drum is scrubbed from the developer roller surface by the toner adder roller and returned to the toner hopper.